Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create eye-catching wedding package price list using Canva on your Android phone. So here I've already opened the Canva apps on my phone, and to easily create the price list, you can just use the templates in here. So for example, let's try the keyword wedding price list. I don't know if it will show up or not, but let's try it. Click on enter, and here Canva will show you some of the templates. Okay, so there's some this wedding package price list that you can select it for your price list. For example, in here I'm going to use this one, the third one right here. You can click on the templates that you want to use and it will be open. Okay, so now what you need to do is just edit the package to your own. You can, for example, change this into your names. Okay, you can also change, for example, this one basic. Here I'm going to change the name. Let's double click on the one that you want to edit. Okay, you can also change the price. For example, in here I'm going to go with okay, you can also change the name of the package. I'm going to change the third one right here. Silver. And for the last one, I'm going to go with gold package. Can also change the item. Of course, it might be different from yours, so you can change the each item in here what the client will get, and after that you can also change the number, the website, and the address on this to your own. So if you're done, you can just click on the arrow at the top and tap on download, so your process will be saved. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.